Hi guys, this is Ravi and you are listening to me on the Nifty BN channel. It's been a while since I made a video. The reason is I have been a little busy of late writing code for certain custom screeners on Nifty. But now that I have some free time, I will try and make videos on a consistent basis. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video. In this video, we will learn how to remove risk either fully or partially from a broken wing butterfly trade. But let's first learn what a broken wing butterfly is and how it is different from a traditional butterfly spread. A traditional butterfly spread consists of the purchase of one option with a lower strike price x1 and one option with a higher strike price x2, along with the sale of two options with a strike price that is halfway between x1 and x2. The options have the same underlying and have the same expiration date. The underlying can be an index or a stock. A traditional butterfly spread is usually created using either all call options or all put options, where you have a debit and credit spread joined at the short strike price of both spreads. There is also another variation of the butterfly spread known as the iron butterfly. The iron butterfly is made up of a put option credit spread combined with a call option spread just like iron condor, except that once again you have the spreads joined at the short strike prices. The spread width is even, that is, the call spread and put spread are of equal width. The break even of the iron butterfly is narrow, but the risk is small and the reward is large. To increase the probability of success, the iron butterfly can be broken so that the spread width is uneven. This makes the iron butterfly change from a low probability of profit low risk trade to a high probability trade with higher risk. While the iron butterfly trade profits only if the underlying ends at a particular strike price at expiration, the broken wing iron butterfly trade profits if the underlying goes in one direction as well. So the position can profit from two scenarios instead of just one, thus increasing the probability of success. The broken wing iron butterfly is usually done for a small credit or no cost. But the only drawback is that the maximum loss can sometimes be greater than the maximum profit. The position can be constructed to have either a bullish bias or a bearish bias, and when the underlying moves in the direction of our bias, we will get an opportunity to remove the risk either fully or partially from the position. Let's now take a look at a real life trade example and learn how to initiate a broken wing iron butterfly and also how to remove risk either fully or partially from the trade. On July 8, 2021, I initiated the following broken wing iron butterfly trade on Nifty with a bearish bias. The trade is as follows. Buy 150 quantity of Nifty August expiry 15,800 put at 261. Sell 150 quantity of Nifty August expiry 16,000 call at 226. Sell 150 quantity of Nifty August expiry 16,000 put at 351. Buy 150 quantity of Nifty August expiry 16,400 call at 77.7. When I initiated the position, the spot was at about 15,800. So the long put strike was at the money and the short strikes were about 200 points away from the spot. And the long call strike was 400 points away from the short strikes. Now let's look at the margin requirements. The final margin required for the above setup is about rupees 1.2 lakh and the required margin can be anywhere between rupees 2 lakh and rupees 4.5 lakh depending on which leg of the trade you initiated first. Enter the buy option trades first to get the maximum benefit of the new margin rules. The probability of profit at expiry is about 70 to 75% for this strategy. Here we are seeing a different number as we are looking at the trade on a different date than when we initiated the trade. The premium received for the above position is rupees 35,745. The maximum profit at expiry is rupees 35,595 and the maximum loss at expiry is rupees 24,255. As you can clearly see, the maximum profit is greater than maximum loss, which is not always the case. The risk to reward ratio of the position is 1 is to 1.47. Now let's look at the graphical view of the structure to understand the strategy better. From the risk graph, it is evident that the strategy has a wide profit zone, and that explains the high probability of profit. There is only one break-even point, and it is at 16,238. Now let's look at the calculations. Credit received is equal to the amount of premium received minus the amount of premium paid, which comes to about 238.3. Maximum profit is equal to width of narrower spread plus credit received multiplied by lot size, which comes to about rupees 35,945. Maximum loss is equal to width of wider spread minus credit received multiplied by lot size, which comes to about rupees 24,255. The upper break-even point can be arrived by using the following formula. Middle strike price plus credit received, which comes to about 16,238. About 11 days into the trade, on 19th July, as Nifty moved in the direction of our bias, we exited the 16,400 call leg and entered the 16,200 call leg. That is, we sold to close the 16,400 call leg and bought to open the 16,200 call leg. The trade looks as follows. Sell 150 quantity of Nifty August expiry 16,400 call at 44 and buy 150 quantity of Nifty August expiry 16,200 call at 90.5. This adjustment helped us reduce the risk from rupees 24,255 to just rupees 1,230. The risk to reward ratio of the position is now a whopping 1:23.27. The margin required has also come down significantly. The downside to this adjustment is the probability of profit has come down to about 19.68% from the earlier 75%, and the maximum profit has also come down from rupees 35,945 to rupees 28,620. Also, there is both upside and downside risk in the adjusted position. That is, if Nifty rises above the upper break-even point of 16,191 or falls below the lower break-even point of 15,809, the position experiences a loss of rupees 1,230. The above risk can be reduced further, depending on your risk appetite, by selling weekly out of the money call options or spreads above the upper break-even point when the spot is below the lower break-even point, or by selling weekly out of the money put options or spreads below the lower break-even point when the spot is above the upper break-even point. This, of course, will change the payoff chart of the position, but it is a risk worth taking, especially when close to expiry. Also, close to expiry, we can consider adding one more broken wing iron butterfly or a simple butterfly spread to the trade to increase the profit range of the position. I will update you on the position in a later video. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab. So do not forget to check that from time to time.